Hey, what's happening guys? It's Bharat Nagpal for iGyan.in, and today we're going to be checking out the new Lenovo K6 Note. So let's get started. Now the K6 Note comes after the K6 Power was launched recently. The K6 Note has been priced at Rs 13,999 and is going to be available mostly offline. Let's quickly unbox the K6 Note and see what all it comes with. So inside the box you'll get the device itself. You'll also get a USB charging cable, which is the standard micro USB type cable. You also get a wall charger. Inside the box you'll also get standard earphones, which also have a mic and a button to send and receive calls. You'll also get your standard documentation inside the box, and that's about everything from the box of the K6 Note. It's time to take a look at the device itself. Now over at the front you'll find an 8 megapixel camera along with the earpiece. Below that you have the 5.5 inch 1920 by 1080p full HD LCD display. Now this is an IPS LCD display, so you get really good viewing angles on this display. You get a total of 401 pixels per inch. Now below that you have 3 touch capacitive buttons. These buttons are not backlit and they have this metal look in them which makes them appear to be backlit, and they are extremely shiny and reflective. Now on the bottom you'll get the micro USB port which sits dead center, and flanked on either side are 2 grills. One is a microphone grill and one is the main speakerphone. On the right of the device you'll find the power button along with the volume buttons. On the top is the secondary noise cancellation microphone along with a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the left is a SIM tray. Now this is a hybrid tray, so you can either put in 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 micro SD card. On the back is a 16 megapixel camera which will capture 1080p video. You also get a dual tone LED flash. You also get slow motion capture capabilities. And then below that is the fingerprint sensor, and on the bottom is the Lenovo logo. You'll also find these chrome accents in the antenna bands along with the fingerprint sensor that give this phone a slightly nice and premium look. But overall design remains quite similar to the K6 Power. Now running everything is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 chipset with 4 cores at 1.2 GHz and 4 cores at 1.4 GHz. You also get the Adreno 505 GPU. The phone is available with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, or 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. It's available in 3 colors: the dark gray that you see over here, a gold color and a silver color. The 4 GB plus 64 GB variant is priced for Rs 15,000 and definitely makes for a better bet in terms of price versus value. The phone has a 4000 mAh battery, and you can pop in a micro SD card for up to 128 GB. The phone also will support 4G LTE bands and does have VoLTE or VoLTE or Voice over LTE support for those who are on Jio. Now just like the Lenovo K6 Power, the phone runs Android 6.0.1 out of the box and has a stock Android look. You also get a bunch of UI options, including the Lenovo Vibe UI. So if you want to shift to that, you can by pressing down on the home screen, then going into preferences and then changing the default launcher from Android to Vibe. You also get a theme center which will allow you to customize many aspects of the user interface. The K6 Note also features the Lenovo Companion app that allows you to run diagnostics, check for updates and get some solutions and videos while you're checking out the device. The camera app is a Snap It camera, and you get lots of modes including a Pro mode that gives you complete control over your ISO white balance as well as shutter speed. You also get features like artistic HDR, slow motion video and fast motion video, both of which are at 720p. The camera will at standard record 1080p videos at 30 frames per second, and the camera interface is fast. Tap to focus is quick to capture focus, and capturing images is also very snappy. The front camera is an 8 megapixel camera and also includes an auto beauty mode which you can also manually control. You also get some gestures to click images, and you also have the ability to flip the photograph for an actual photograph. You also have a fill light feature which will illuminate the front camera using the display. Now the K6 Note also supports Theater Max, so you can get the Theater Max VR headset from Lenovo, and we'll leave a link in the description below. And once you get the Theater Max headset, you'll be able to enjoy some 3D games and 3D gameplay. That headset has been specifically designed for this display, so you get the best Theater Max VR experience. Now we'll be doing a full in-depth review of the K6 Note in the coming days, and we'll possibly do a comparison with the K6 Power. If you have any other requests, questions or queries, you can drop them in the comment section below, and we'll try and cover them when we do the final review. To get more details on the K6 Note, you can visit us on iGyan.in. You can also catch us on Facebook, Twitter, Google+. And until we see you next time, guys, this has been Bharat Nagpal. Thank you guys for watching.